This AI makes Google feel outdated. Perplexity will make you stronger, richer, smarter, and better in every single aspect of your life if you use it correctly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity and get 100% of its potential all for free. So let's get straight into it. First, of course, you're going to go to perplexity.ai. It's also a mobile app, so you can use it. And what you're going to do is you're going to sign in to get the best results. So boom, we're here. Let's just simply go through the plans. You can see Pro and Max. Pro is $20 a month. Max is $200 a month. Maybe this sounds like too crazy, but trust me, when you found out what Perplexity can do, you will maybe even think and consider buying it. You get 10 times more citations in answers, access to Perplexity Labs, unlimited file and photo uploads. You know, all of these benefits. Yes, that's really good, but even when you use Perplexity for free, it's still pretty good. Then you got some education. So Education Pro, Read 'em Free Pro. If you're a student, you unlock Pro for free. So this is pretty crazy. And Business Enterprise Pro, you get $4 per seat each month. So these are the plans. As I said, we're going to go fully free, and let's actually hop straight into it. Whatever you want when it comes to finance, when it comes to fitness, when it comes to health, biomaxing, coding, whatever you need, Perplexity offers to you. So just think of this tool like a hub, like your library where you have everything fast, because this year 2025, or even the previous years, and definitely the years to come, are really fast. So you need fast tools. Of course, you got prompts, so you can ask anything when it comes to whatever comes to your mind, I want to say. So what is the price of BMW M3 right now? Boom. I mistyped, but that's okay. Perplexity is searching. Boom, it gives you links, it gives you photos, and it gives you a complete answer. Okay, so it gives you the price. It's actually price range, because Perplexity knows that there's different models of M3. You can, of course, tune it and all of that stuff. So it gives you a complete answer. And before we actually look into the other stuff, let me compare it with Google. So let's go to Google and let's actually compare it. So we're going to just go to google.com. Go to Google. And let's ask the same question. So what is the price of BMW M3 right now? Boom. Okay, it's in Czech, of course, but this is something like, do you want to buy a new BMW 3, BMW Invent Pro, BMW M Performance? Well, where is my question being answered? Why do I just have links that they have no coordinates or no like context with what I just said? I mean, yes, it's a BMW M3, but that's all. Like, where's the price? And here, down here, when you gotta scroll, there's like, how much will the new M3 Cross cost? Why do you mean new? It's an older model. Like, you get me. This is why I don't use Google anymore, because Perplexity just beats it on all different levels. But this was just a basic, okay? This is just searching. Now we have related, which is like a context. Yeah, basically context, yeah. You got all of these different questions that you can actually expand, and Perplexity will give you the answer for it straight away. And again, let's look at the structure it actually gave us, okay? So it gave us the answer with links, images, and the answer, plus related. Here you can just niche it down to just images, so you can look at the beautiful car, to sources, which is basically what Google gives you, just links, and steps. Okay, so this is basically how it thought out the process. Okay, so this is the basic way of using Perplexity AI, or just Perplexity. But if we go back home, we have research, we have labs. Okay, so we need to upgrade to Pro, but what this basically does, it's like a deep research on any topic, and here it's create projects from scratch. Super powerful tools, and there is a big possibility that you actually want this, but you know, just for showcase, I'm using Perplexity for free, genuinely, and it's okay. Like, you can use it for free. You have some ideas, you know, so troubleshoot, we have some health. So what are the best ways to improve my immune system? Boom, let's ask it this question. It's exploring effective strategies, blah 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 blah. Best way to improve your immune system is to eat this or include this in your diet. Boom 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 boom, and it gives you a whole, like, this is a really good answer. This is a really good answer, you know. Healthy lifestyle habits, avoid smoking, maintain a healthy weight. So as obesity can reduce immune effectiveness, blah 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 blah. Super effective, you know. And you have again the related. So how much sleep do I need for optimum immune? Like, it's just overwhelming. Okay, and when we actually look into this left panel, you know, what is this all about? Let me go back home And if you just like click on this, you can see already finance, travel, academics, sports, and library. Okay, so if we go to finance, boom, we're in the finance niche. And like you got every like my brain still cannot understand how well thought this AI tool is. You click on finance and you have everything you can. You have US market, India market, you get just crypto, earnings, screeners. Like this is for the crypto or stock guys, you know. But it's just so overwhelmingly good. I cannot wrap my head around it. You got Coinbase 50 index. You know, I'm not going to overwhelm you with this topic because some of you don't know anything about it, but you can, you know, look at the Apple stock. Boom, you have everything about it. But what about, for example, sports? Is there going to be, okay, so here what's happening? We got Formula One. We got, there is everything you want, literally. Let's click on Formula One. Boom. Italian Grand Prix 2025. Standings. PS3 Oscar. Boom, 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 boom. Verstappen, Max. Like Leclerc, Hamilton. You got their points. It's crazy. I'm just trying to tell you, it's crazy. It's genuinely crazy. And yeah, then we got academics, any topic you want. So political science and economics. What are the latest research trends in political science and economics in 2025? And it gives you, you know, you can use this for school. You can use this for school or for anything. You can just read this article and you will be 20% smarter. Probably. I'm not even joking. Then we got a discover tab, okay? So it's a discover and there's something like for you. So what you basically search is what you will have on your for you page. So this is like a, I would say, like an articles maybe, yeah. Perplexity can be so much more than what you think it is. You know, some people just use it in make.com, which I made some videos, you know, to research people. You can research people, individuals with Perplexity. It's also true, I'm going to show you later, but more than half of Bucharest companies hit by dramatic price increases. You know, these are some of the articles here that are pretty good. You know, you can read them. Then you got the top articles, you know, what people are actually researching or what people are most interested in. And you got topics, so maybe arts and culture. We can go and boom, you have anything about like up to date stuff about art and culture, you know. So and tons of value. It's not just like a few, it's tons of value, you know. Shelby's launches something, first Abu Dhabi auction with luxury items. Boom. It's genuinely crazy. So then we got Spaces, which Spaces is you basically create a dedicated space to help you organize sources, threads, and collaborations around a specific topic. So let's say, okay, let's actually create one. If we create the space, we can take it like AI news, okay? So ask anything about AI news or mention, yeah. Give me a summary of AI news from from last week. Boom. And here you can just add everything about AI news and it will add or act, it will act like a AI news basically helper, you know. So we have Elon Musk AI launches Grok 4, OpenAI launches GPT-5, blah 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 blah, you know. And now we have a space just on AI news. So if you're a content creator, you can use this a lot. If you're a content creator, you can use this and leverage tons of content ideas, you can even do your scripts here and every single thing. So let me show you how to actually research a person. So who is, or maybe give me context about chef, okay, sorry guys, Shafik Soleh from the Czech Republic, okay? There seems to be no direct information specifics to Shafik Soleh from the Czech Republic. Well, I know exactly why this picture is here, and it's really scary because this picture is literally in my gallery, okay? So let me ask it, because I'm not that famous yet, but what type, sorry, what content does Shafik produce on YouTube? Oh no, I said shite. Okay, this is bad. But Shafik Solek YouTube channel focus primarily on content about AI and technology. So yep, this is literally true. So it didn't give me much about myself yet. It's not totally up to date because I'm already at 422 subscribers, but yeah, when I used it to give me like context about a person, about some business owners, that have that are a little bit more known in on the internet. Like they don't have to be famous, but they just have LinkedIn, they have a registered business. It gives you so much context, and you can dig out some stuff 10 years from their career and create so personalized email that it looks like you literally are following them like for years and you catch them. So yes, this is how we can leverage Perplexity. Also, you can do deep searches and research people and then actually cold call them or, yeah, do stuff like that. It's pretty mind blowing, but I will keep this video like this because I want you to play with Perplexity how you need it. And yeah, just use your creativity because there's no limits when it comes to AI. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, guys, see you in the next one.